Katajaharjuntie 13, Stake Spear, Katajaharju, Enosen, close to Lauttasaari metro station and Lauttasaari, and close to Lauttasaari, Tromsø in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. We've got the same pictures here as in the Stake, right?
Yeah.
The best is 3 persons door fragrance built in 1962 by Kone with FP6 features and a mechanical furniture. Turning 60 years old this year in 2020. And this has 2 rides. And this time we've got a full view of the furniture at the same time.
Yeah.
As elevators from Iceland is riding it first. He is our guest. So we can film it together with Valkyrie 86.
Yeah.
And the serial number is H10147. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. Yellow number on the buttons before.
Yeah.
Doors have been renewed, but still fitting in here.
Yeah.
Very nice still, like chocolate color and wood.
Yeah. Iskut vaikka mä iskutan, mietin vaikka on.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please watch the things here as well. And let's turn on the lights.
That's